Hello everybody, and today we're gonna play Booga Booga again. Well, can I tell you something? I've been doing some work off camera, and we basically have been reset because of the update. And now I only have iron, and I got steel pick. Ignore that. Because the steel pick has nothing to do with this video. Oh jeez. Shock. I'm just gonna beat this guy up. Meteor, which is crystal. What a lucky find straight away. So I don't know. Don't go stuck. Oh, it's so annoying now. I don't need. Oh, the meal's been destroyed and all that's left is Shelly. Oh, Shellies. Oh, Shellies. Oh, I'm strongest in the server. They probably won't bothered. Oh, yeah. Volume. Listening to some music on Spotify. Crystal, 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 crystal. Got a steel pick. Don't say I'm hacking because this dude gave me a crystal pick. Poor Shellies. If you want to join Shelly Defense Squad, by the way, then it's basically like a Shelly Defense Force. You can still kill Shellies, but protect Shellies from the ants. If you see an ant moving, protect it, kill it. It's just gonna be stolen. Poor Shellies! Poor little Shellies! You stupid ants, you'll pay! These ants will pay. I will destroy their home for this. Evil ants! Down with ants! Down with ants. I don't know why he literally just went away when he saw my mace. The mace is like one of the worst weapons in the game. You run away from it. Soon I can actually get steel mix, so I might even get steel in this episode. So you might be lucky and will get a bunch of steel, or you might be unlucky and I'll still have iron by the end of the episode. Still have a bit of like steel. Just say iron. Steel net, stone walls, stone gate. Yeah, I'll try it now. Going solo today. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, magnetite, magnetite, magnetite. Oh gee, this guy's got a shock pet. This dude has a domestic boar. Okay, I'll go to you. Bro, you can't even mind that. I'm going there. It's mine! No! Go away! My meteor! Kill the Shelly. I always target Shelly. If you don't know, I sometimes target Shelly all the time. Because it's the only thing I can actually mine. Wow, this guy's a leader? Die. Wasted. Special thing I can play. Each one better make you smile. You wanna fight, don't you? You wanna fight! You wanna fight! You wanna fight! already. You wanna fight, dude? You wanna fight? You messing with the wrong dude. You're whacking me? Hello, darkness, my friends. He couldn't. I knew he couldn't be trusted. I'm just gonna show this meteor rock because I don't want me getting duped with mag. Just gonna play fair. And then I get lots of EXP here. I think a whole meteor could give lots. I've left that magnetite, Shelly, because I really like it, and I think I might actually tame it. So there's another piece of gold magnetite. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. OMG, he has a god rock. OMG, he has a god rock. That dude has a god rock. What? That dude has a god rock. God's rock. Triggered. OMG, he's triggered. Keeping it for himself. I don't want to fight him. He has a god rock. He has a god rock? Let me have a piece. Hey, he's not even sharing. Not even sharing. Left the core for me. Thanks. Left the core. Which gives the most magnetite. So far I've only got 3 magnetite from this meteor. And time's passing by and I don't think I can actually destroy this. But the swole tree is making me interested. Swole tree. Because if I can chop that down, I think I will actually get a lot of stuff. If meteor cores levels you up to the level you're supposed to be. Get away from the stone. Go! I have a steel pick. And time's passing by. I'm just gonna try back faster. These things he's spawning in. Giving you room. Basically taking up your room. You must have realised that I'm actually destroying the crystal. You must have realised that I'm actually destroying the meteor. If another meteor struck down, I'm in the same place. And you need to destroy this meteor core. Reroll magnetite. Don't touch Jim. Mine? No. It's only took me 2 minutes to wipe off a few. I think he has spotted me. No, he's surrounded the base. And he's left me to mine it. I think on the last few hits he'll literally finish it off and kill me. Which I don't want happening. But since I am level 17, he might actually do that. Because he's a lot harsher and he has 64. Oh, that god rock. That god rock reminds me of trouble. He's triggered me. He has literally triggered me. He has found me. What should I do? Say hi. He went past it! It must have felt like I've actually destroyed it now. But still, I am quite weak on it. But KOing this meteor core will give him a big advantage on his mag. But he really does have a god rock. OMG, he's killing it. Get away! Get away! Go away! Shoo! 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 By the way, if you don't know, I've never died since the data was wiped out. Except if when I resetted my own. Quite upset. Double kill. I'm just gonna kill this interruptions.
No biggie.
Piggy. No piggy. Too hard on that. Okay. Yeah, that does 5. I'm just gonna damage every single ball. And literally triggering them to fight me. But they left some space with the fish traps. That's bad. Just gonna chop the small tree down. That's even what I came for. You're not gonna addicted to I want you to so bad. I'm fine. This maze is so slow, but my pick is also. Oh, the Banso confirmed. I'm destroying the small tree for the XP, not for the loot, because my bag's almost full. Bye bye. Okay, I'm at level 18. I thought if I peep up 2 EXP for killing a peeper. 2 EXP for killing a peeper. 2 EXP for killing a peeper. Is that what you're gonna give me? Bye bye, campfire. Teal tribe literally betrayed me. Now 12 XP! Are you actually joking me? Bye bye, shark. Can't reach him. Oh, I can. Z. Looky. Oh, carry shark. Oh, I killed him without getting bitten, without even using a raft. Legit. Looks like an iron axe. It looks like a iron pick. An iron pick, but it's really a steel pick. In my view, if you have a different vision, then just tell me. Dude, can I help you? May I help you with destroying the Sandman? Never! I will never help an enemy. That's my ant mound. Yeah, later on in the day I was playing this and I was the king of ants. I'm like, ants, kill him. It was a noob. He was literally coming with me, so the ants started trying to kill him. Okay, and mounds really do give a lot. So if I keep destroying ant mounds, I will. Probs.